Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something very important. How to learn the English language in 180 days. 6 months. Not overnight. Not with magic. But with a clear, realistic and proven system. Many people want to learn English. They study for years. They memorize grammar rules. They learn thousands of words. But still they feel stuck. They understand English, but they can't speak confidently. If this sounds like you, this episode is for you. Let me tell you something important. English is not a school subject. English is a skill. And skills are learned through practice, not through memorization. Think about how children learn a language. They listen first. They repeat what they hear. They make mistakes. And slowly, they improve. Adults should learn English the same way, but with a clear plan. In the next few minutes, I will explain a simple 6-month roadmap that can help you speak English with confidence. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the truth. English is not difficult, but learning English the wrong way is exhausting. Many learners focus too much on grammar. They are afraid of making mistakes. They wait until they feel ready to speak. But the truth is, you will never feel ready. You become ready by speaking. Now, let's break the 180 days into 3 clear stages. The first stage is the foundation stage. This is from day 1 to day 60. During this time, your main goal is to understand English and speak simple sentences without fear. You should focus on listening every day. Simple English, slow English. You don't need to understand every word. You just need to listen. You should also speak every day. Speak out loud. Talk to yourself. Repeat sentences. Mistakes are not a problem. Mistakes mean you are learning. You should learn useful vocabulary, not difficult words, useful words, phrases you can use in real life. And grammar? Only the basics. Simple sentences, present tense, past tense, nothing complicated. Now, let's move to the second stage. This is from day 61 to day 120. This is the fluency stage. Here, your goal is to speak more smoothly and understand normal English. At this stage, you should listen to English at normal speed. Podcasts, interviews, TV shows. You should speak more, tell stories, explain your opinions, record yourself speaking. You should also start reading simple articles and writing short texts. Don't aim for perfection, aim for clarity. The third and final stage is from day 121 to day 180. This is the confidence stage. Here, your goal is real communication. You should speak with real people, online or in person. You should think in English, not translate. Your English will not be perfect, but your confidence will be strong. Now let me share some common mistakes. Don't study grammar for hours. Don't wait until you feel ready to speak. Don't compare yourself to others. And don't give up too early. Consistency is more important than motivation. If you practice a little every day, for 180 days, your English will improve. Not because you are special, but because you stayed consistent. English is not your enemy. Fear is. Thank you for listening. And remember this. One day, one step, one sentence.